Yes, hi everyone. So I am here right now at Radisson Blue for my quarantine. This is my quarantine facility. I am from. Oh, by the way, and I was so distracted with the new bridge there. You cannot see it there. So this is my our quarantine facility here. So as you see, there's a lot of people there. I mean, a lot of people, but I mean, it's a lot of people also there have a quarantine, because I can see that there's a lot of table there, because that table is where this table is where we will put our food when the housekeeping will deliver the foods. Yes, there. So guys, in this video what I will do is I will tour you my room here at Radisson Blue. So my room number, I don't have a room number. So this is my key card. Yes, key card. So this is my key card in Radisson Blue. So this is my room number 809. Yes, so let's tour. And they have this kind of I don't know what is the name of this, but you can look outside if who is doing the doorbell or something like that, if who is in the outside. So let's open. Now let's go inside. So put the key, something like that, and then let's open the door. Yes, and of course you must have to insert the card here like that, and it is automatic. It's on now. So before we will go, so at the back of the door they have the safety and security, something like that. So here, this is for the card, and this one is for the lights, and this one I don't know, but there is a sign. Maybe if you want to call for a cleaner, yeah, something like that. And in this area here, this door here, maybe we will lock the door first. So this door here is my CR, comfort room, shower. So there's another door. Oh my god! And you know what? The trapo is para siyang tuolya. So here guys, they have two shower. This one is the first shower. The second is like the raining shower. Yes, so this is my staff, my hygiene staff. So it's sad to say that we cannot bring soap from outside, so because they do not allow this one. So this is where you can open the shower. They have hot, they have cold, and when you open this big one, you must have to do like that first. No, and then put shower. See, open out. But if you just want the other one, the small one, you just close it. Just close this, and then it's automatic open. And that's it. Oh my god. Isn't it amazing? Or isn't it surprising? Isn't it? So here's my towel, and the shower will be look like this. Yes, this is the shower. You know what guys, I always use hot shower for my shower. And in Radisson Blue, you can see that there is a soap. Champion soap. Yeah, this is one. Champion. And this is the what is it called this? Basta, ano siya? And they have tissue here, and then you can plug plug the shaver only here. The shaver, you can plug the shaver if you have an electric shaver, but mine is not electric because I'm just a poor boy, poor girl, and this is disinfectant. I don't know if this is alcohol or something that they put on. And this is the mirror on the wall. Yeah, they have the mirror on the wall. And of course, guys, the mirror. Yes, look at, I'm big there. And the other one is small. Big, small, big, small. So this is the bowl. And they have American Standard. Yeah, American Standard. And you can, yeah, this is for the tissue here and also for the tissue here. And what we have also here is, I don't know, maybe you can contact someone just pressing this one. Yeah, speaker. Yeah, I don't know how to use it. So here, this is the cabinet. This is the cabinet here. You know what, guys? So my stuff here, it's just from just my clothes. I'll just put like that. Sorry for the mess. And they have there for the what do you call this? This is for the light, for the electricity. And they have hanger, towel, small towel, and I don't know what is this. I didn't know what's this for. And they have a an iron and also a iron board. Yeah, iron board. Hanger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hangers. It's a lot. Let's see what's inside here. There's nothing inside. Oh shit. Sorry. Oh, it's automatic. And what is here is, what is this? Oh, it's like a flashlight. Oh, it's a flashlight. Maybe we can turn up the light and this flashlight. Oh yeah, there's an emergency flashlight. Nice, nice, nice. So it's called lantern. This is the flashlight, guys. Wow, amazing. So I don't know how to turn off this light here. This is just always on because I turn on the other lights. And they have a safe for the money if you have money, but I don't have money, so safe deposit box. This is the safe deposit box. The safe deposit box may only be used in accordance with the rules and subject to limitations set by local regulations. Yes, for the safe. Close door and press reset. Enter 4-digit code. Press lock. Open by using your code. That is how you use it. And we have another extra blanket and extra pillow here. Yeah, so that's it for this side. And this one is the button to turn off and on for the comfort room. I will just turn it off. And this is the big mirror. Big mirror. They have the big mirror. Yes. And this one, they have a table here, or table or a chair to put some of your stuff. So my bag, my neck pillow, and this is my sister's straight hair straightener. I don't know. So this is my camera bag. This is chocolate, a lot of chocolates, and this is my second bags. First bags there, second bags. This is my chocolate. This is my luggage, my hand carry luggage. This one is the bag of my. Oh, there you are. I'm looking for you, so just There you are. This is the bag of my ring light. This one is the bag for my shoes, for my boots. So this is the 2 boots. So I'm sorry for the mess. I just didn't have time to arrange these things. And this box is just using the feet. This box is for the for my sister's watch. And of course, this paper bag here. This is the one that they use for putting our foods. This is my camera. And this is my. I keep all the Nescafe because I don't drink coffee. So they give this every day for 3 times for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every meals. So this is the Radisson. Dear guests, they have a message here. Yeah, something like that. And this one here is menu. Yeah, they have menu. Welcome to Blue. Wow. 80 now. Wow, it's nice. This is the Radisson Blue menu. Home service menu. Yeah, they have a home service menu. Biniknit. They have biniknit. Oh, bod. Tas kwati. 85 zay. Mahal. Biniknit mahal. So this is my bed. I have 2 beds. Yeah, with S. Yeah, I don't have the king bed, but I have the 2 beds. Yeah. My cell phone there. And this is my ring light. I have my ring light here. Ring light. Yeah. And this is my tissue. So since that I am alone, I need tissue. You know how to use this tissue? Yes. And this one is so cute. They have the telephone. It's only this one. Yeah, it's so cute, right? Yeah, so cute. And then you can just dial here. This is my headphone, my Sony headphone. You can charge here. You can turn this off. The light shortcut if you don't like lights, so that you cannot need to get up and go to the near the comfort room to just turn off the light. So you can just turn it off while you're sleeping. You can turn it off automatic. Okay. So this one, guys, here, you know what is this? It's like mura siya kanang nababo, no? Kanang mura siya kanang again tanganan sa tubig bitaw, mura gripo. It's like a gripo. You know what is this? You know what? This is just a light. If you want to read something, you can read it here. Like you want, oh, it's so dark, then just like that. Oh, so rich, right? See? My God, amazing hotel Chivago. Oh, I don't know how to put this back on. Yeah, they put it something like that. Yeah, I'm sorry for the mess, guys. This is me. And here they have a, yes, this is my bed. Yeah, I sleep here at this side, and this side is I will just do some videos or etc. Yeah, and then the aircon is just inside this roof here. So nice. See, my God, amazing. And this is the TV. Yeah, the TV. I never used TV. I didn't like TV. And this is my office table. This is my lunch, my breakfast, my water. Let's get in here. So this is my laptop, my other cell phone, my laptop here. This is the telephone number. This is my cell phone stand, the charger and the battery of my Canon camera. You can plug there. They have a lot of plugs there. And this is the light. This is nice, guys. Look at the light. Sharp. So nice, right? And you know what? This is the water. They give us everyday water from OWA. Thank you, OWA, for the free food and hotel accommodation. And this is the chair here. If you want to read something or you want to relax. But I never use this one. And I also keep all the glasses because since that I do not drink coffee, so I'll just put it here. So maybe I will just bring that in my home. This is chocolates. Oh, the tissue is already finished. So this one is actually we get this from Scoot Airplane going from Singapore to Philippines. And this one is, I don't know what is this. Let's put it here. Oh, it's like a remote control. Let's can open it. So open this one first. Oh yeah, it's a remote control for the TV. Let's try. Yes, Radisson. Welcome to Radisson. Share your experience with Radisson Blue. Welcome to Radisson. Oh my god. I just used the TV now. It's my 6th day or 7th day of quarantine here. So whatever. How to use this? I don't know. Message. Home. What is message? You have no message. Oh. How can I? Oh, here the TV. Select message. Oh my god, I don't know how to use this table. Maybe I will fix it later. So this is the table, my chair, and this is the view I have here. Look at the view, guys. Shit. Sorry. Oh, they hit my camera. So this is my view. So I can see the Bayfront Hotel. And also this one building. I don't know what's the name of that building yet. It's not yet finished. It's almost 2 years now. Because it's not yet finished. Because when I go to Cambodia, it's still like that. Until now, it's still skeleton. Yeah, and you know that this is the SM Cebu City. SM Cebu. Yeah, and this is the cargo area. This is my view every day. Just like can I see who I want to see another things or another view. I want to see another view, but this is just my view I have here. So guys, that's all. They have painting there. I don't know who painted that one. So guys, that's all. This is my room. Yeah, sorry for the mess, everyone. They have the light here. Yes, that's it. My room for my quarantine facility here in Radisson Blue. So I'll stay here for 10 days. Yes, that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like the hotel and also like my video. So please don't forget to share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please do not forget to follow my other social media accounts. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and goodbye.